So you guys are aware that two triangles are congruent when all the three sides of one triangle are equal to the other three sides of the other triangle. Also, when they all have the same angles. But to compare the congruency of two triangles, we don't always need to use all the 6 elements. In fact, any 3 of these will do the work. So, there are altogether 5 different ways to compare the congruency of two triangles. The first one is the SSS condition, where S stands for side. Here, two triangles are congruent if 3 sides of one triangle are respectively equal to the 3 sides of the other triangle. This means that if we have two triangles with 4, 5 and 7 cm sides and they are corresponding to each other like A to P, B to Q and C to R, then they are congruent. Next, we have the SAS condition or side angle side condition. Here, two triangles are congruent when they have 2 equal sides and the angle between these two sides is also same for both the triangles. Like here, we have two triangles with sides 4 cm and 7 cm in both of them, and then the included angle between the sides is 49 degrees. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. Next, we have the ASA condition or angle side angle condition. As the name suggests, what you need in two triangles is 2 similar angles and 1 common side between them. The side does not always have to be included between the two angles. That is, two triangles can also be congruent to one another by the AAS rule, which is angle-angle side rule. It's almost similar to ASA rule. You can see here how these two triangles are congruent to one another, but the side is not included between the two angles. Okay, now do you think that the AAA rule or the angle-angle-angle condition can determine if two triangles are congruent to one another? Well, not really. That's because, look at these two triangles here. They have the same angles, but their sides differ in length, and that is why these two triangles cannot be congruent to one another. And lastly, we have the congruency rule for right-angled triangles known as the RHS rule. R for right angle, H for hypotenuse, and S for the side, which says that two right-angled triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and the side of a triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and side of another triangle like this. So what have we learned today? Today we've learned about the condition for the congruency of two triangles. Until next time, happy learning!